So my name is Jose Ruben Pena Martinez. I'm from Seattle, Washington. Before I came to Dinking, I was, or I am, a body tech for a collision company. So I do dents. I found this through like internet, just scrolling through YouTube, looking for people doing dents. I chose this one because, well, this was the first one I found on Google. This one so far was like the main one. I had the most people that come here. After my 3 weeks, now I can do like dings, I can do creases, I can do aluminum panels. Pretty much like I could probably do bigger dents, but it'll take me a long time. But from first day to now, I can do the decent amount, good enough to get me moving. Like my first experience here, my first day was probably like the hardest day ever. I didn't know how to use the tool. I couldn't find the light, like so hard. But the trainers here helped me follow the light, follow the tool tip, and I think that was and patience. Patience is a big key because before that I'm just like bam, 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 bam. Let's just get this done and move it on. But now it's like slow, steady, easy. But yeah, no, it's been great. So far, like right now, I haven't really thought much about that. I want to get my skill up first, so I want to go back to work and then work little dings and dents. Get my skill up. And once I got my skill up, then I want to like maybe start my own route, do my own thing, and then go from there. Sky's the limit, I guess. Oh, it was great. I enjoyed every minute of it. I like the atmosphere here. The people here are awesome. Just every day coming in, I wanted to come in. It's not a chore. It's not a job. It's amazing. Thank you, Dinking.